Welcome to GV Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, we are continuing on 30 days Java programming challenge. Right, we almost reach our 30 days challenge. This is the day 27. Right, what is the challenging program? Check if a given number is prime or not. What is prime number? Right, a prime number, suppose a number is divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself is called prime number. A number is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. 2 is the even prime number. 2 is the even prime number. And then we have a 3. 3 is also divisible by 1 and itself. Right, 5. Right, 7. Right, 13. Right, these are all divisible by 1 and itself. Suppose if we take a 6, it is not prime number. It is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Right. So we can, from where to where we need to check. We can check from, right, suppose I want to check, right, it is divisible by, right, suppose I want to check 13 is prime number. Right, I want to check from, right, from number 2. 0 and 1 are anyway not prime numbers. Right, from 2 to 13. We have to verify whether 2 is divisible by 13, 3 is right less than 1, right, until less than 1. Right, anyway 1 and itself is divisible. We no need to consider. In between, from including 2 to 12. 2 is divisible by 13? No. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If any one is divisible, right, from 2 to 12, then 13 is not a prime number. Now we no need to verify until the 12 also. We no need to verify until the 12 also. We can, right, until 12 by 2. That means 6. That is fine. Until 12 by 2 is right. Any number is not divisible by half of its number. Right. Any number is not divisible by half of its number. Suppose if we take a, right, 18. Right. 18 is divisible by, right, 2, 3. Right. Then 6. And then 9. If you see half of the number only. Now 10, 11, 12, 13, right, it will not divisible. It is unnecessarily we have to check it. Half of its numbers only, right, half of numbers only, it's enough. Right, any number it is not divisible by half, more than half of its. So until from 2 to half of its number is fine to verify whether it is a prime number or not. Right, let's quickly jump into whoever joined, please start the program. Right, whoever joined the program, please start the program. And once it is done, please paste in the comment section. Right, day 27 challenge. Right. Now just I will write a one method, private boolean, right, a private, will get a private static, return the boolean is prime number. Okay, whatever we are sending, is it a prime number? Okay. Now first condition is if number is less than or equal to, right, either 0 or 1, it is not a prime number. Return false. Right, now we have to loop from integer I equal to 2 to, right, from 2 to I less than or equal to number, it's half of its number, right, I plus plus. Right, then if number is percentile 2, equal to 0. That means it is divisible by, it is divisible not to I, right? Any number is, if number is divisible by I, it will become a remainder 0, then that is not a prime number. Return false. Right, else return true. If nothing is matched, then it is a prime number. Now here just we will add in the main method, right, is prime number, just call it is prime number. Just I will send, right, first 3 we will send as a 3. System.out.println, right, prime number, right, else not prime number. Okay, fine then. Now we will verify number 3 is a prime number or not. Right click, run as Java application. Right, it is prime number. Suppose if I 13, right, 13, right, it's a prime number. Suppose 14, right, it is not a prime number. Right, suppose if I send a 0, right, it's not a prime number. Right, it's working as it is. Suppose 100, right, not a prime number. Right, whoever completed, please paste our program in the comment section. We will see how many ways we can verify the number is a prime number or not. Right, whoever did not get a chance, please, once you get the chance, please solve the program and paste in the comment section. Right, so far we have done up to previous 26 Java programming challenges. If anyone did not watch them, please go and watch them. Please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos.